So dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily turn on downtime on your iPhone. So this is the time when this is like do not disturb in screen time. So only apps that are using your calls will be available and other apps will be blocked on your iPhone. So this is just tap on screen time, just tap on downtime, and here you can see set a schedule for time away from the screen during downtime. Only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. So just enable here. Here you can see you can choose every day or customized day. So just choose for what day special you want to do it, or for every day, and just tap on from. Here choose time, from what time and to what time it will use this downtime mod. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.